In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 13R, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, select one of your apps you wish to use in this view and go into Tab menu to use Floating Windows shortcut. Click on it, tap on your tiny window and click on those three dots at the top. Now select one of those split screen view options. You can either use this app on the top or at the bottom. Finally, select your second app, and as you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!